Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you the winner of the second lucky viewer and subscriber. So let's get started. So she won this another girl. So if I will give her this Shopkins pencil. And this oh my gosh, and this cake. So big na. So the winner is Venice Makasaet, my classmate. So she doesn't have YouTube channel, so just congratulate her because she is the winner. So she will just gonna sign this. This is my sign and this is her sign here. So Flori Santos had a sign now. Here is her sign. Here is my sign. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.